He came in with very, very minimal motor function of his hind limbs. He had a lot of wounds all over his body. It didn't take long for his personality to come out. He just wants to be loved, he wants to be pet. He's a puppy, so he acts like a puppy. He's just so sweet.
The wheels are just teaching him how to stand up again. He didn't know how to stand up when he first came in. Someday we're hoping that he'll be able to walk without the wheels. We're trying to build the muscle to keep it in the right place instead of being so turned out. So he's getting stronger. Okay, 1, 2, 3, buddy. Oisha. So see, he can stand on his own. See how he shifts his weight and he has to correct it? He couldn't do that like a month ago.
He's extremely resilient. Now he's to a point where with mild support, he can take steps on his own.
Go. Use your legs, use your legs. Good job, good job, good job. Yay! Look at you. Look at the normal dog.
I don't know if he's ever going to be able to run, but some dogs like him, it just one day, something will click. I would love to see that with him. I hope he is one of those dogs. He deserves a good home for sure. He has such a sweetheart and he just, look at him, he just says, take me home. Oh. Yeah, he's a good boy.